How to get your YouTube music recap. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your YouTube music recap. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube music app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then you simply have to tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your account section, then you simply have to tap on the option labeled as your recap. And now here in this section, you'll see all your top songs, artists, genres, albums, highlights, and stats. So here you can scroll down to view all your stats and personalized cards. And if you want to share, then you can simply tap on the share icon to share on any cards like WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, etc. And that's it. That's how you can get your YouTube music recap. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.